Good morning, welcome back to the channel. What you hear is that familiar sound in the background of the compressor. Woke up and the tire was flat. I'm pretty sure it wasn't flat yesterday, but I'm not 100% sure. I don't think I could have been driving on it. If it was flat, I would have noticed. Once again, no idea what is going on. Hopefully it's a slow leak. I'll fill it up and then see what happens. But yeah, I have no idea what's going on, how it could be possibly leaking. I'll have a look at the tire once I get some air in it and see if I can see anything on the outside. But it's got such a huge thick tread. I'm speechless. Alright, thanks to the Shire, free camping. It was a great little spot. All except for the ghosts in the night making my tire flat. So I'll drive for a little bit and then check the PSI, and so hopefully it's a slow leak and can change it on my own time. Unbelievable. I looked at the tire, couldn't see anything this time around, so I'll have another look. But man, is this frustrating. So I drove for about 5 minutes, the tires warmed up and the PSI went up, so whatever leak it is definitely slow. I drive for a bit more and then check it again. With any luck, it really was the ghosts. I don't know how this happens every time. When I have a issue with the tire, I end up on a dirt road. I didn't think there was anything like this that was on my route. I just checked again and we're still holding steady at 40 after about 20 minutes. Not sure how much longer on this type of road I got, but as long as the tire is holding, then that's just fine. Alright, about 25 minutes on that dirt road. The tire seems to be holding. Popped out. We're at a 16 degrees, but feels warmer. 8 o'clock. Time to find a cappuccino. Well, my route took me through all backwoods, so found no cappuccino. I actually haven't had anything to eat. Just hit the Fundy Trail National Park. And gonna check out some scenic hikes. Starting with Walton Glen, which is 1 kilometer down the road. Welcome to the Walton Glen Gorge, a grueling 1 kilometer walk to get the gorge view, and way in the distance, the ocean. I was smart this time and changed into my hiking boots. I think it's 30 odd kilometers on the road, and there's different small short trails I'm gonna take. So I'm gonna pack up the suit and just ride around in my shorts. All right, Walton Gorge done. Let's see what else this park has to offer. They don't have any water, that's for sure. Buddy in the little information booth had to give me an emergency bottle. He said they don't have any drinkable water in the whole park. It's a little bit of poor planning. We're just about half an hour from high tide, so the tide is going out again. That's why there's so much water and no mud. The information at the Hopewell Rocks yesterday was humorous. It said if you got caught by the high tide, don't try swimming and don't panic. Just hang out for a few hours till the water recedes. It was really warm at the last spot, and now it's decidedly chilly and breezy. There is a suspension footbridge here. I will partake in this little jaunt. I am now at the beginning of the suspension bridge. I am now in the middle of the suspension bridge. I am now at the end of the suspension bridge. I started way over there, and now I have to go back. And that concludes the tour of the suspension bridge. Let's see what's next. I think it's the interpretive center. This is the interpretation center, but it looks a lot more like a gift shop to me. This is the Big Salmon River, where Fundy empties into it, or vice versa. All right. Exciting interpretation center. Let's see what's next. This is Fuller Falls. Let's go see it up close. Let's touch the water. I am now touching the water of Fuller Falls. I believe it will heal all that ails me. I don't know how we're going to top Fuller Falls. We're getting close to the end, I think. And that's good because I need fuel. Well, that looks like the end of the park. Next stop is St. Martin's, where I can get fuel and maybe a few provisions. Fueled up. We may even make it to Fredericton today. We're only under 200k. I might get a room there even though the weather's nice. Just to clean up and maybe do a laundry or something. And check out the town. We're also going to pass through St. John's, which is only less than 100k away. The three big towns. Moncton, St. John, Fredericton. I've already passed through Moncton. I didn't really stop or check it out. Figures I take the route that is closed. Looks like I can do a little dirt detour. Try and find a nice route to Fredericton, which is only about 100k. entering the outskirts of Fredericton. Another bridge over troubled waters. Make a quick pit stop and see if I can find an appropriate priced hotel, motel, or Holiday Inn. Alright, I've got myself a Days Inn hotel room with my junk everywhere. I've had something to eat, I'm trying to get in to do my laundry, and there's only one machine and somebody keeps using it. So I'm going to go down now and check and see if I can get in. Other than that, we had a long day of driving and didn't get very far. And I've got to plan out my next move tomorrow. Hopefully go for a hike. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.